everybody, this is Karen. Welcome back to our channel called Our House, and in this video we're going to go over some of my favorite school supplies. These are just things that make our life a little bit more easier, a little bit more fun, our schooling day a little bit more enjoyable. So as you may know already from our channel, I try to be as non-consumable as possible, and so doing that I have made this vocabulary, I have made this penmanship book with copywork, penmanship practice pages inside, and I just placed them inside these pocket protectors, sheet protectors. I place them inside these sheet protectors so they can use them over and over again. I keep a jar of my favorite Expo markers. Now obviously these would not really work. These are for the board. I use these, I like these. So for doing something like this, you really need more of these Expo ultra fine low odor markers. This is what I like to use for this. I'll put a link to all this in the description below if you want to check them out. But yes, I like the Expo skinny ones ultra fine. Let's see if we can. And they have, different colors. I'll tell you which ones I don't like. It's the dollar store ones. Now I like dollar store for a few things. I'll be showing you in this video a couple things, but not the dry erase markers. These are garbage. The only thing that's good about them is the eraser that is on the tip, which is very convenient, so kids can just erase when they're done. That's the only thing that's really good for them. But yeah, one thing that I do like from the dollar store is the the graph paper. Okay, the graph paper. This is really excellent for doing math. It really helps them to put just one number inside the square, and it helps to line up the problem correctly. It makes it easier for me to look at. I don't think I bought this at the dollar store because it's got a 99 tag on it. I probably bought it somewhere else, but it is something that I have seen at the dollar store, and when I do, I just stock up. Another thing that I do like from the dollar store is just notebooks, these little notebooks. They're great just for me, for menu planning, for ideas that I have in a moment, wherever it may be. I may be out at the bank or somewhere and I get this idea and I need to write it down. I'll have one of these in my purse. Super easy to write down. If you're in church, you want to take notes from a sermon. There's so many uses for these notebooks. Obviously, they're great. I got this sketchbook that my daughter really loves to draw. I got this one on Amazon and it was way overpriced because at the dollar store, they have these sketchbooks as well that are, just as good as the more expensive ones on Amazon. So I would definitely check out the dollar store for sketchbooks. That's definitely a favorite school supply here because they like to do a lot of drawing. The thing that we use every day is this abacus from IKEA. Whenever we're going through the raise arithmetic, the first part where they're recognizing numbers and, double digit numbers, what they are, I always have them show it to me here as well. Like, show me 27, show me 72, so that they could see what the difference looks like, between 27 and 72. Yes, the numbers are the same, but it's a big difference. When they show me, then they really get it. So this is something that I always use, and I'm always saying, show me that number. Okay, and last but not least is these erasable gel pens. These are really cool. I didn't even know such a thing existed. This is by Parku. I hope I'm saying that right. But these are just what it says, erasable gel pens. These are really fun. I'll show you. Kids really like to kind of play, secret spy with this. So there's my name in the gel pen, right? Now just the eraser on the pen itself will create enough friction that it will completely erase it. It erases. That is so cool. I was saying how my kids can play secret spy with this is because if you put any kind of heat on it as well, the ink will disappear. And then if you put it in the cold, the ink reappears again. How cool is that? So that's really cool because, sometimes the kids want to write a letter to their friends, not in pencil, in something a little bit nicer, more fun, a different color, but then they make a mistake and then they have to scratch it out and it looks, not that great. But with this, they can just erase it and they still have the nice gel pen look. So this is really cool. Okay, everybody, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments below, one thing that you love in your school. What's one of your favorite school supplies? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.